RedMagic 11 Air made its debut in China earlier today. The handset features a curved rear transparent panel with an RGB logo and a triple camera setup. The phone will be offered in Aurora Silver, Stardust White, and Quantum Black. It is said to measure 7.85 mm in thickness. The device will be featuring an overall boxy design with a flat display, flat rear, and flat side panels, slightly rounded corners. RedMagic 11 Air have a gaming shoulder buttons. RedMagic 11 Air will feature a 6.85-inch AMOLED display with 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. It will also offer a 95.1% screen-to-body ratio, an under-display selfie camera, 2592Hz PWM dimming, and 1.25mm thin bezels. The RedMagic 11 Air's rear camera setup has a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, enabled by a 16-megapixel under-display front camera. The RedMagic 11 Air uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, higher in 16GB plus 512GB model. The phone will run Android 16. The RedMagic 11 Air will feature a 7000 mAh battery, feature 120W fast charging support. RedMagic 11 Air starts at 3,499 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.